Suspended First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar appeared in court today as the trial moved into its 16th session at Freedom Hall in Juba. The defense kept the focus squarely on the state's investigation, how it was conducted, what it documented, and what it didn't. Under cross-examination, though, the lead investigator, Major General Basilio Thomas Wani, conceded he has no material evidence linking Machar or any of the 7 co-accused directly to Tor Gilton, the white army commander alleged to have led the Nasir assault. And that is extremely pivotal because the prosecution's entire theory leans on command responsibility. So the chain of command, who gave the order, who told the troops and instructed them to do what. But today's testimony undercut the entire idea of a direct order trail. The defense then pressed the legality of the arrest and the state's paperwork. In open court, though, Wani acknowledged detentions without written warrants, including the arrest of a sitting lawmaker while still protected by parliamentary immunity. He also said there was no cabinet authorization for the operation, an admission the defense argues violates South Sudanese law. Questions over evidence handling persisted as well. Defense lawyers challenged the chain of custody, and Wani also admitted some case files stayed with the investigation committee even after transfer to the special court. Procedural slippage, the defense says, weakens the state's submissions. These disputes, though, did not emerge in a vacuum because earlier sessions already exposed gaps in basic procedures. The investigator testified that he never personally received a search order from the attorney general and that items the state seized were never found or ever recorded. So today's exchange is built on that theme, that process flaws risk contaminating proof. So where does that leave things? The prosecution is still arguing that Machar bears responsibility as the political and de facto military leader whose forces and allied militia allegedly overran the garrison. The defense is framing this as a case where implication is doing the work of evidence, no direct orders, irregular arrests, and a messy evidentiary trail. So the court adjourned to Monday, November 3rd, 2025, and we will keep tracking every session and bring you the documents, the testimony, and the stakes as they evolve. Independent media takes a lot of time and a lot of care, about 4 hours for every single story you see posted here. We don't have sponsors or big donors. All we have is that coffee affiliate link. So if you believe in the work that we are doing, please consider joining our community on Patreon, YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, whatever is best for you. Your support helps us keep going, doing journalism for the people and not for profit.